I'm teaching her bad words in Italian. That shot with the horses was great. Good morning. Day 5 on my Camino de Santiago. Today I'm alone because I'm staying here because my leg is in pain, so I'm resting for 2 days. And I'm gonna show you what we do to get ready then. So we're gonna do some washing, hanging. Yeah, just relax today, I guess. But yeah, I'll give you some tips as well later on. Stay tuned.
As I go walking this land of fathers, I see dreams and the buildings they wrought. I see mountains and plains they did conquer. I see people in lines round the block. I see my brothers and sisters walking, hand in hand singing, when will it stop? I see valleys and canyons of red rock. I see the spirit of hope that is strong.
Alright guys, Didi here. So my leg is bad, she came to pick me up with the car, taking me... ¿Dónde vamos?
A Berducedo.
I'm teaching her bad words in Italian. Yeah, that should be my route, but I'm cheating today.
¿Hablas con ella o conmigo?
Con ellos.
Ah,
Nosotros estamos a
1185 metros de altura, en el puerto del Palo.
El puerto del Palo, 1,185 meters above the sea level. Bang! We are on top of the mountain here, and we just saw some white horses, so it's drone time. That shot with the horses was great. Gracias Didi per esperar. Oh, gentile, troppo gentile. It was amazing. Woo! So I haven't walked, but it was nice anyway. So guys, I'm sorry you walked uphill all day. We took only 20 minutes by car.
¿Quién hablas? Mira, Jorge.
Tío Jorge! Hey, lo zio! Bella zio! Crazy family, loca familia
Sí,
aquí,
mucho, muy loca. Yo soy la única normal.
Sí, por favor. Meeting the old friends on the way.
Voy a ir a verla ahora.
Ajá. Ok. ¿Y cómo está?
Bien.
Bien, está
Bien, está mejor.
It's good to see my old friends. And it's funny how they call me Er coglione gordrone. Coglione is literally a testicle. So they call me the testicle with the drone. In Italian it rhymes as well. And with the accent from Rome is quite funny actually. We're in Berducedo, and this is on top, kind of on top of the mountain actually. You go to the peak and then you go down a little bit. So tomorrow it will be all downhill. That's why I skipped the route as well. It's lovely guys, you have to do it. I definitely be back to do La Ruta de los Hospitales, which I missed today. Also I'm amazed by the hospitality and the good manners of people. Grande Claudio.
La mujer.
Ciao.
As I go walking this land of fathers, I see workers of steel and of coal. I see hands so tired from their working. I see fields of riches unfulfilled. I see my brothers and sisters walking, singing songs of riches unfulfilled.
In the next episode, I met Lucy again. She just lost the card in the cash machine. Yeah, that's Lucia. That's me. Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and Mamo Air. Subscribe now for the video notifications.
As I go walking this land of plenty, passing fields of green and of gold, I see men used as beasts of burden, waiting for the promised